Hello everyone, I am Devika K from first year CSBS. So the title of my project is Thermoelectric Chargeable Water Bottle. A thermoelectric chargeable water bottle is a multifunctionality water bottle that provides hot and cold water with solar and electric power integration and which can be used for mobile charging, etc. Some of the key features of this bottle are dual temperature control. This bottle can both heat and cool your beverages, ensuring you can enjoy your drinks at the ideal temperature, whether it's a piping hot coffee or a refreshing cold water. Solar power integration. It incorporates solar panels that harness sunlight to power its temperature control system, reducing the need for conventional electricity and promoting eco-friendliness. Electrical power option. In addition to solar power, the bottle can also be charged via an electric outlet, ensuring you have a backup power source when needed. Phone charging capability. Equipped with a built-in USB port, it allows you to charge your smartphone or other USB powered devices on the go, eliminating worries about running out of battery. Portability. With its compact and lightweight design, it's easy to carry anywhere, making it ideal for outdoor activities, travel, or daily use. Energy efficient. By using both solar and electric power sources, it promotes energy efficiency and reduces your carbon footprint. Safety features. It includes safety mechanisms to prevent overheating or overcharging, ensuring the safety of both your beverages and devices. Thank you.